Hey guys, good afternoon. Harley from PNW Porting here. Today I've got a customer's Stage 3 scooter up here, the PNW63. I'm going to be getting some on the road testing, doing some launches, showing you guys what the potentials are with this setup. We are currently geared 1280. So we're geared definitely pretty tall, but the 63 can handle it no problem. So we'll go ahead, pull this thing off the bench. And I did start this thing earlier, so it will probably start with no choke. So as you guys can see, this thing is definitely pretty torquey. It's geared real tall and it still has the ability to pull a wheelie or pull right off from a dead stop. So here's from a dead stop. We're just going to go down this street a little bit. Alrighty, and let's go on back. Oop, gotta watch out for that kill switch. Alrighty, so here we are with the PNW63 Stage 3. About to be going up this pretty big hill at a dead stop with 1280 gearing, so let's see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so we're back here, back at the shop. We've got the PNW63 Stage 3. This is Anita Black's personal motor. Thank you for letting us build it, ride it, destroy it, you know the works. We'll be getting this thing back to you shortly. Thank you guys for joining.